If you are a home buyer that is looking for a reputable developer or subdivision, this might be the house that you are looking for, because the house that we are going to tour today is located here in Aldea Grove Estate, a subdivision that is located here in Angeles City, Pampanga. Now, let's start the house tour. Now, let me share with you the specs of the property. This house has a total lot area of 165 square meters and the floor area is 200 square meters. And now we are here at your two-car carport. Di lang tayo makapag-intro dun sa, sa pinaka-front. But as you can see in the drone shot, you have this beautiful facade of the house. You have that layered roof, the combination of the white exterior, wood accent, and the huge windows. Everything blends together so well. It's very timeless and talagang nagpaganda naman sa facade natin, di ba? So, yeah. So, this is our carport. It's a single attached property. You have the single firewall. I also love this ceiling design right here. And then dito, we have this walkway that will lead us going to your side garden. So, meron din tayong small gate right here papunta dun sa house. Now, one thing that you will notice is wala siyang front gate. It is because it's part of the subdivision restriction. Pero alam ko guys, pwede naman siyang i-request sa developer or the homeowner association. Pero sabi kasi nung kausap ko, parang pwede ka lang as parang 3 meters lang siya. Because, you know, Ayala, if you are familiar with Ayala, they want to maintain the community or the houses here to be open, no, and American style look. So, mas maganda din siyang tignan. Yeah. So, let's go here. So, this one is our main entrance. So, sa main entrance natin, we have this smart door lock that you can access through face recognition, I think. Tapos, fingerprint and passcode. So, tara, pasok na tayo. Okay, buti na lang, nakasindi yung aircon. Welcome guys, this is your living area. So pagpasok pa lang natin, you will see already this double height ceiling, no? And then it's very airy and bright because of the huge window that you will see here. And I also love this accent wall with this LED lighting. It extends all throughout the ceiling on this side. It's giving that modern look of the entire living area, especially at night kapag sinindihan mo yan. And quick heads up lang guys, all furniture that you will see here in the living area, pati na din doon sa dining area natin, is for staging purposes only. It's not part of the selling price, but you can still negotiate sa owner natin, no? But when you get this house, diba, you have an idea how you can design it, arrange it, and how you can maximize the space of the house. Okay, so let's go here. Let's move on to your dining area. So dito we have this 8-seater dining table. But again, as I've mentioned earlier, this one is not included in the sale. Pero as you can see, kasyang-kasya ang 8-seater dining table. You still have enough space to move around. Actually, dito pwede ka pang maglagay ng buffet table or console table to enhance the look of your dining area. And as you look up, we have these 3 nice pendant lights and the cove lighting na mas nagpo-warm and ambience, kumbaga parang cozy ambience sa dining area natin, no? And then right here, alam ko nakita nyo to kanina sa garahe natin, no? We have this sliding door. When you open this up, no, you have already an access going to your carport, and it's a perfect layout then, especially when you have gatherings or parties or anything. They have already an access going to the dining and the kitchen. They don't have to go dun sa main door natin, okay? Now, finally, the kitchen area. And I have to say, this is definitely one of my favorite part of the house. So, first of all, ang laki ng island counter natin, as you can see. It's good for preparation of meals, serving foods, entertaining guests. Maglagay ka lang ng stool dyan for your breakfast nook. And it's actually good for casual dining, no? Maganda rin siyang bonding sa family ninyo. And as you will notice, you have this another wall accent. Same siya dun sa living area natin. We have this LED lighting all throughout the ceiling right here na mas nagpa-elegant look sa kitchen natin. Yeah, so aside from that, I've mentioned earlier, hindi kasama yung mga furniture sa living and dining. But good news, we have an appliance that are included already sa selling price. Like for example, this 3-burner stove, this nice, very modern range hood right here. And then, mamaya ko pakita yung mga other appliances. But you have a lot of storage spaces. Let's try to open them. Ayan. Yan sila. Soft close naman sila, guys. Look. Oh, see. Doesn't make noise. Yan. And then, ang kagandahan pala, ayan, paikot siya yung mga storage natin. So, marami ka talagang lalagyan. And then, kagandahan for your sink, heated na din sila. So, you can see meron tayong water, ano tawag kasi doon? Water heater. Dito, meron siya dito. So, ibig sabihin, pati daw tong mga... Ha? Grease trap. Ano tawag dyan?
Grease trap.
Grease trap. So, yung mga parang... nice. Kumbaga, hindi siya babara kung may ganyan siya, no? So, that's a good thing about it. Pero sabi nung nakausap ko, yung mga sink natin, heated din siya. So, you have this marble look backsplash on it. You have this LED lighting. So, ang ganda lang. You have an U-shaped countertop. So, ito pa yung nagustuhan ko, no? So, I've mentioned, you have a lot of storage spaces. Just look at this one. Pwede itong lagyanan ng coffee or parang coffee area ninyo because you have this countertop right here and outlet right there. So, they keep organized and mas clean pa rin siyang tignan. No? Kahit hindi mo siya ginagamit, pwede mo sarado lahat yan. Para at least mas sleek pa rin siyang tignan. And look at this one. We have this built-in appliances already that are included. So, for example, you have this oven, microwave, and this very, very nice refrigerator. So, kasama na din yung mga yan. And I believe we have this pull-out tray for your pantry. So, yan naman yung kagandahan nito. I don't know kung napafamiliarize kayo sa layout niya, no? Especially the kitchen. Na house tour na namin yun. I don't know what house tour number, i-pop up na lang namin. But that one was sold already. Pero same developer, same builder, and same din yung quality ng pagkagawa ng bahay. Okay? Next one, we have a door here that will lead us to your service kitchen or your dirty kitchen. So dito, meron naman tayong countertop and of course, may sink na din. And look at the cabinetries. So, meron din siyang ganun kamukha nung sa main kitchen natin.
Mga requirements sa subdivision.
Maybe sa requirements sa subdivision. You know, Ayala is very, is very strict sa mga restriction nila. Paano to? Yun. Ayun. So, we have a screen door right here. So, dito mo makikita yung water filtration, the water heater, ito siya. So, lahat yan, heated na talaga siya. Tapos, we have an outlet right here. Pwede mo pa yung lagyan ng parang yung lutuan. Pwede siya dito. Kasi this one is part of the washer-dryer naman. So, ito yung mga gandahan ko sa layout ng property na to. Meron talaga siyang dedicated area for your laundry. And then, aside from that, is meron siyang screen door going at the back of your house. So, it's very secured actually. Kasi sa side-by-side ng back ninyo, naka-screen door pa rin siya. So, yun. Let's go back. Okay. So, as I've mentioned, the layout of this property, the lot area is only 165 square meters, but you have that 4 bedrooms. And syempre, hindi mawawala yung first bedroom on the ground floor. So, ito siya, guys. And, yung mga ACU na makikita nyo all throughout the house, that also included in the selling price. Okay, so here is your bedroom. You have this enough space for your first bedroom. You have a window right here. And then, syempre, yung mga closet natin. So, ayan siya. So, may ilaw din siya dito. And good thing about it is, siya, floor to ceiling yung mga cabinets natin. Yan. Okay. Next one is the powder room. Oh, this one is full bath. Syempre, meron pala tayong room dito sa ilalim. So, this one is full bath. Meron tayong shower, water closet, and the sink. Okay? And syempre, under the stairs, alam nyo naman yan, no? Usually ginagawa nila sa mga under the stairs, naglalagay sila ng storage sa ilalim. Okay. Now, what do you think of the house? Nasa ground floor pa lang tayo. I want to know your thoughts about this house. Babasahin ko yung mga comments ninyo, no? And yan, parang, tanong kasi tawag dito? Censored. Censored yung steps niya sa stairs natin. So, for the stairs, meron tayong wooden handrails at tempered glass. And sakto-sakto lang din yung, kumbaga nasa standard pa rin yung space ng steps natin. Okay, so before we go ahead upstairs, please do subscribe on our YouTube channel and please share our videos. And mag-subscribe na din kayo and follow us on our other social media accounts. Okay, okay, now, as you can see, yung design ng bahay, they are very consistent of the design. As for example, the wall accent, yung mga LED lighting natin, yung mga marble look na mga ganitong design. And look at the chandelier right here. Ayan siya. Ang ganda, no? Bagay siya sa bahay. Okay, as you can see, we have a stairs right here. And this one is an attic. Mamaya na natin puntahan yan. Now, this is your master bedroom. So, pahaba yung shape niya, no? And then this one in front of me is you have your entertainment area or entertainment console. This could be your bed kasi meron siyang 2 outlet here. Tapos dito, again, maximize nila yung space dun sa stairs na ginawa nila. So, this one is your closet. Ayan, may LED din siya. May ka pang cabinet. So actually, extra storage mo na lang din to. But for the girls na naghahanap ng walk-in closet and the master bedroom, I think magugustuhan nyo to. Okay, so we have a fluted panels here, but this one is actually a secret door going to your ensuite toilet and bath. Ayan siya. Okay. So this one is your walk-in closet. Again, you have a lot of space here. Ay, alam ko may mga ilaw to. Wala pala siya. So, yun. So, dito, open lang din siya. You can put your bags, may mga rods na din yan. And then this one, you have your Hisenor sink, you have 2 mirrors, water closet, and then, syempre, you have this very spacious shower area. Meron ka na din jacuzzi dito. So, kahit walang pool yung bahay, if you're tired or anything, want to chill out, you have your jacuzzi right here. And kagandahan ng mga shower fixtures nila, sila, quality din. Pang hotel vibe. Especially sa mga yan. Tapos same, meron din siyang hot and cold. Yun naman yung kagandahan doon. And next one is we have a balcony. So dito, kitang-kita nyo yung community, no? So as you can see, ilan pa lang yung mga bahay. As I've mentioned earlier dun sa intro ko, no? So you're going to buy this house, you will be one of the first homeowner here. And actually, yung house na to, it serve as an it serve as a model house kasi may mga available din tayo na for built pa rin sila, pre-selling din sila, and also may mga available din na lots. Now, if you are not in a rush, pwede kayong bumili ng lot and then patayuan. That's it. Okay? Let's close this up. Yeah. Okay, ihuli na natin yung attic, no? So, this one is the second room. So yung mga rooms natin, same, wala silang mga beddings or what. So, advantage of that, kayo na yung pipili kung anong klaseng brand or quality of your bed frame, mattress na ilalagay ninyo. So, yun. Pero, good thing about it, may mga ACU naman na silang naka-install. And then, meron tayong window right here. And again, yung closet niya, floor to ceiling din siya. So, yun. Same layout din, lahat. Okay. Next one. Walaan ko to. This one is a bathroom, common toilet and bath. Halos same lang din naman yung mga layout nila. Pero yun nga, yung nagustuhan ko sa mga banyo nila dito sa house nito is the quality of the fixtures. As you can see naman, no, hindi rin sila basta-basta. Just for example, the shower area, the shower fixtures, yung mga faucet natin. Just look at that. Next one is your bedroom number 4? Oo, 4. Okay, so again, parang mirror lang din siya, no? So you have this bed ready. Good for your kids. Kasya siguro dito, parang double bed or ano. So yan. Tapos meron tayong outlet dito. Dito mo lalagay yung television. Tapos meron tayong outlet dito for your side tables. Tapos may ACU na din. They're very generous sa mga windows natin as you can see. So when you're going to open that up, di ba, mas presko din. Tapos, more natural light din. So, dito, yung mga cabinetries natin, same lang din lahat ng pagkagawa niya, guys. Yan. More on shelvings, cabinets, drawers, and anything. So, yan. Marami ka talagang lalagyan. Meron pa yan sa ilalim. Okay. So, I think we're done and we're going upstairs sa attic. Let's go. Kaya guys, napansin nyo yung style ng facade natin, no? Yung pagka-layered ng roof. Ito yun. Okay. Oh, I see. So, this is your attic. So, pwedeng maging man cave to ng husband nyo, no? Or, it's totally up to you kung anong gusto nyo gawin dito sa attic ninyo. Let me know if you have any ideas. Babasahin ko yung comment section. So, yeah, for this attic, meron na yung ACU. Meron din tayong window right here. And some pin lights on it. Okay. Pagod ako sa pag-akyat, Okay. Okay, baba tayo. Okay, so I think that's it for our house tour. I hope na gusto niyo yung bahay. And again, for those who are looking for a property that has a flexible payment terms, ito na yon. Sobrang dalang ng mga houses na nag-offer ng mga in-house financing. The only requirements that you will have or you will need is 2 valid IDs and a post-dated checks. I will explain more details about that if you are interested. But just for a recap, this house comes with a 165 square meters lot area and the floor area is 200 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2 car garage. This one is semi-furnished. You have that appliances in the kitchen and ACU. And yeah, this is the price of the house. Now, if you are interested, please do message me and let's schedule a private viewing. Thank you so much for joining me for this house tour. See you on the next one.